Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and today video is about how you can create a AI workflow, AI agent workflows with n8n cloud. So you might have heard about that. n8n is a very much good tool for creating workflows for free, okay? And if you want to add your own model, if you want to add the OpenAI model and any kind of AI model you want to connect with your workflows, you can add easily with it. So in this video I will show you the features of n8n, how you can create a basic workflows, and how you can connect to different nodes, and how you can communicate with different nodes, and what is the capability of n8n cloud you can work on. Okay, so you can see I already have logged into n8n cloud, and you can see here you can create a multiple workflows. I have created mine, and you can get a list of that, and you can edit your workflows, and you can reduplicate your workflows already created. You can maintain your credentials means you can create your credentials for your for example, for ChatGPT OpenAI, you have created an API key you can maintain here. You can see the executions. I can show you, like, these are the execution I have. I have been running and testing for my workflows. You can create a data tables and so much capabilities. Even the database level of things connectivity you can do. You can also create your webhooks and other triggers and API triggers also inside the workflow itself. Okay, and so coming to the best part, like what are actually workflows? So workflows is basically giving some kind of inputs and getting some kind of outputs. And in the mediator, you can run any API, you can run any script, you can communicate with your model, you can get response from the model, and so much of creativity you can do in the middle part. And the end result depends on like whatever things, whatever communication and whatever uh, connectivity you have made it behind and between that. Okay, so for example, I want let me create a one basic workflow with you. Okay, so I go into the create workflow. Now you can do manually, or you can build with AI, like giving the prompt. For example, right now I'm creating manually to show you what it work actually. So in manually creation, you will see a option like what trigger this workflows. This kind of options you will see. Okay, triggering it manually on app event on a schedule means it will automatically run as a cron job on webhook call. On webhook call means you are triggering this via any kind of request, and your workflow will start automatically. On form submission, right, for example, any kind of form responses you are getting into the workflow directly. And when executed by the another workflow means you are triggering workflow inside the workflow. On chat message while running, so, yeah, on chat message when running evaluation and other ways. Okay, so these kind of things. So for example, I just want to show you some demo on chat message. I want to see here. Okay, so, okay, fine. On chat message, and let's see how it works. Test chat. When chat message receive, you can see in the left I can put any kind of chat, and while I have doing the chat, it will run the next part. Okay, so when chat message receive, what I want to do, you can see here plus icon, and you can create your own workflows, other dependencies. Okay, so for example, I want to show you something conditional. When chat message, for example, when chat message has particular text, I want to do something. If that is not a particular text, I want to do other thing. Okay, so go into the flow. I want to create a if condition over here. Okay, if, like, if the value one means the chat input, I can just drag and drop this chat input over here. If the chat input is actually kind of Bharat, for example, okay, then execute this. Okay, now if condition done. If that means, if it is true, then what I want to do. So if that is true, I want to run one code, which is actually the Python code. Okay, so I just click on this, and when chat message is received and it is true, I want to run the Python code. And you can also customize your coding part here. For example, you can do any kind of printing, you can do any kind of nest triggers over here, and it will run as a Python core script only. You don't need to worry about that. You can even import the variables and import the uh, modules as well here. Okay, for now I'm keeping it simple and execute it step. Okay, and in else statement, what should I run? So in else statement, for just demo purpose, let me run the JavaScript code. Okay, so yeah, I'm keeping this code level same and just doing that. Okay, so you can see our simple workflow is ready. So this is just a demo, but it will have a great impact. For example, the chat message received, and in chat message, if the value is after chat message, I have added the conditional statement. If message has particular string matching, run this. If not matching, run this. You can easily delete this. And also, after if statement, you want to do something, right? So for example, after running a script, you want to do something else as well. Let's see what capability we have. Okay, so coming to the AI, we have AI agents, we have Anthropic, we have like OpenAI models you can use. Okay, for example, I want to use the OpenAI. Okay, messenger model. Okay, okay, and you will see here the configuration of OpenAI model, resources, text you want to use, and what model you want to use. You have to select over here. Okay, I want to use the GPT 4.1 mini for now, and all the things. Now the prompt part. Okay, so what example, uh, in prompt you can do chat input directly. Let's see. Okay, so what will happen now? Whatever input I am giving into the chat, it will pass through the conditional statement, and then it will go to the if it's go to the Python script. Python will run, and then it will trigger the chat model that we have inputted. Okay, and then it will show us the output of that. Let's see. Okay, so you can see how our workflow looks like. Okay, now I want something better. So rather than on if statement, I want to do in the else statement, because yeah, let's see, I want to cut this. I want to connect this with else statement. Let's see. Okay, fine. Now this is connected with else statement. Let's see. We want to test it down, and I'm just saving it because of like keeping it properly. Okay, let's test. Now I want to do testing with this workflow. I want to do testing with which is biggest building on just a question I'm asking. Let's see how it work. You can see it triggers else statement, it triggers this, and it triggers this automatically. In the bottom section you will see how it works. Okay, so let's see it. You can see the chat input here, which is biggest building on earth. It triggers the JavaScript if statement, JavaScript like else condition, and in the message in the model it trigger okay, so it has like a quota limit as well, so you will have to run your own like model with your like proper credentials or something, or like for example, I have OpenAI account, I will get a free OpenAI credits as well. Let's see how it works. Okay, now I want to do again what is biggest building on earth. Let's see how it works. Okay, you can see now we have get the output. Yeah, you can see. Now you can see when the chat message received, it triggers the if statement, then it triggers the JavaScript script, and then it triggers the message model. Okay, this one part, and these are the inputs, and this is the output. Okay, basically. So the output is, you can see here, the biggest building on earth is called the Boeing Event Factory, Earth by volume actually, and so it and the biggest building, tallest building will be called like Burj Khalifa, which we already know too much. So this is coming from the AI, OpenAI, ChatGPT directly. Now you can see the capability of this by a simple workflow. So by this, what things you can do? You can do your customization. You can do your own chatbots. You can do your own triggers, for example, and it has lots of capabilities as well. Let's see what capabilities it includes. Okay, so here are the these are the different nodes we can add. So in AI only we have like so much models, Olama, Anthropic, and test classifier evaluation, and so many nodes we can attach over here. We can put some kind of actions. We have lots of third parties we can include over here. We have the data transformation, which includes like basic level of data transformation, merging, summarizing, and converting to the file, and editing image, HTML, all the file type of things, and manipulation are here. We have the core. We have HTTP request, data table, webhooks we can trigger over here. We can execute the sub workflow, and FTP also we can do this, connect. So very much good stuff are here. We can also human in the loop, like human triggers. We can do the Gmail connection, Google Chat, Teams, and respond to chat, send an email. This kind of also automation we can do. Okay, so um, I think for this is all about for today video. And in this video you have learned like how we can create a basic workflows and how they actually trigger. And yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to the my channel, and you will get notified for my next videos whenever I will create on the n8n cloud, and how you can create a complex workflows, and just so much stuff on based on that only. So like this video, share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.